Hi, welcome to Filipino Homes.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bacolod House Master.
Inside and out. Search properties all over the country, whether it's for sale, for rent, or for closure. You can adjust the lot on the floor area range for your liking, and the price range that fits in your budget. Just pick the property that you like and contact the agent. Search, adjust, talk. Only with Filipino Homes. I
in mind for you, and first and foremost, foremost, I'd like to ask you this question. Sino ba dito gusto yayaman? Okay, can I see a show of hands? Yeah, I want every one of you here na mamilyonaryo kayo. Kasi a lot of times people get into the business, very big schools or big names in not only in the academe but also in the global scale, how important it is to really know all these schools that are really excellent in learning. And of course, this man has not only brought changes in real estate. This man right now is going to speak before you. Is not only the #1 taxpayer in Cebu, but he is also the #1 realtor in.
Yeah, so we have some chairs here. Can you please move forward? Hi, everyone. So good morning. Who are here for the first time? First time. Wow, amazing. So, do you know Filipino Homes na? Oh, really? So welcome. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'll be doing a short presentation about Filipino Homes. I'm so honored to be introduced by Chris. We just arrived from America. I brought in 100 of our agents in the Philippines. First ever, okay, the biggest delegation. In fact, we broke the record in 2019. The only country na pinakamaraming magpunta sa Amerika are Philippines. Can you please give up the Philippines? So, meaning Philippines can do better if you are very serious and if you follow the rules. Do you agree?
Yes.
Itong mga Pilipino is super talented. We're even 7 times better than any nationality. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Dito lang ang hindi. Problema lang tayo sa Philippines kasi nag-awayan na sila yung mga politiko dito, di ba? Alam mo naman, di ba? Dito sa Philippines, mindset is if you want to be rich, you have to be politics, di ba? Do you believe that? So, can we do this? Kasi ako maawa ako sa likod ba? Can we please all can we add another chairs here? So can we do that? Can you help me guys at the back? Yung mga nasa likod ba? So, bring the chairs here. So, tulungan natin yung mga, whoever stand at the back, put a chair here. And also in this side. You know why? We have to be very focused on only one. Yeah. So, it's in history. But I'm happy because I bring hope to the Philippines that real estate is better here. And I also bring hope that people who don't have money can take advantage of real estate, especially Bacolod. Bacolod is the most promising real estate city in the whole country. Okay, so we have so many projects coming, and so many developers coming here. And when I was here 10 years ago, wala talagang Bacolod. Do you agree? And later you're gonna understand what happened, paano, ano nangyari. So, and we have so many journeys, okay? So you're so lucky today because after my awarding, I flew here to Bacolod and we'll be meeting each other today, okay? So mamaya, pag magpa-picture kayo, ito yung post nyo, okay? So I'm so happy. I've been trained by the #1 broker in the world. Yeah, my very close friend, Tonton Literary. Okay na yan. So what will happen today? #1, you get to know our system, which is very, very successful. The next is you get to know the opportunity, why you have to be with real estate. Kasi importante na you have to understand. Do you agree? Mahirap kasi pag magpasok ka sa negosyo and you don't understand. It's very important. So, while you are meeting, you're attending a session with me. Harvard, isang year yan. We taught 1 year in Harvard. So, but I'll show you a branding in real estate. #1, how to let people believe that you're into real estate. Sige, how to let people believe that you're into real estate. How?
Yung record.
Give me idea. Sige. How to let people believe that you're with real estate? In Facebook. Kailangan mag-run din ang utak ninyo. Sige, how? Posting. But branding is not about posting. Branding, when you talk about posting, is consistently posting. Okay, so branding, the next is, nasulat yan? Okay, branding, the next is consistent posting. So how many posting do you need in branding? Every day? 3 times a day. Mag-start ng 9 p.m. up to 1 a.m. So itong style. Every day, huwag talaga kayong matulog. Okay? 9 o'clock to 1 a.m. Those are the things. Grabing interaction yan. Kasi 9 o'clock, morning ng abroad. Then, pag morning doon, makita nila ang posting mo. Okay? So that's number 1. Branding. Number 2. Branding outside your house. How do you do branding? Every day. Pag maglakad ka, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now.
Marites.
Every day, you wear Filipino shirts. Every day. Kasi ito, pag ganito ang makita ko sa inyo, I cannot do discussion. This one opens discussion. Like kanina, nagkain ako. Pagpunta ko ng elevator, may nakita, "Uy, sir, Filipino homes council." Sir, ibenta ko yung bahay ko. Do you get the idea? So it opens discussion. So every day talaga, Filipino homes. Para wala na kayong hindi na masayang yung pera ninyo. Kasi pag ganito, palagi kang mag-beste, gasto yan. Ito, wala kang gasto. Do you get my point?
Yes.
So you have to wear shirts every day. Okay? Number 3 type of branding, attending trainings all the time. O branding, example like ito. Picture ka, selfie ka. Picture ka sa akin. Then, attending one of the best training in real estate in my life. And the speaker is the number 1 broker in the world. So ngayon, makita yung mga OFW. Uy, grabe. So you are creating value. Agree? So pag makita nila na grabe ka mag-attend, grabe ka mag-branding, then people buy. The problem with agents, they stop posting. And posting, it doesn't mean na magbenta ka. Posting is branding. Branding ba? Ahente ako. And never, ever sell real estate. Ito deal na lang tayo. When you're with real estate, never sell. Because this is the only product in the whole world that you cannot do sales talk. You cannot do sales talk. Hindi ka mag-search, mag-inom ka na dito para ma-healthy ka. Hindi gano'n. Magbili na kayo para gaganda ka. Isa mga vitamins, sa mga skin. You cannot do that. Sales talk yan. Insurance, bibili ka na kasi pag mamatay ka, yayaman yung asawa mo. Yung asawa mo, pag yayaman na, mag-asawa na muli. You get what happened? You can, lahat ng product needs sales talk, but not real estate. And nobody knows that. Ang real estate buy, when people are ready to buy and planning to buy, and they see you in Facebook, they will inquire from you because you brand yourself as the best agent. Yun ang reason. You know why people buy from us? Because we're so good in branding. We're so good. Every day we just post that we're attending events. Number 4, you go to all showroom. Mga showroom ba? Pa-picture ka lang. Ito lang, huwag kayong magbenta. Mag-arrange kayo sa Ponda. Ponda ba? Arrange kayo sa chairs, magpa-picture ka, parang ganun, drama ba, char-char. So ngayon, pag-post ka, isang posting lang, preparing for the arrival of my buyer. Pwede yun. Hashtag Filipino Homes. Ang ganda yun, ano yan? You get the idea? Then they will ask. So they will ask, siyempre, ano yun siya? Kondo kasi to, may buyer kasi ako na nagustuhan niya kasi 6,500 lang. You get the idea? Then, ang monthly, pero ang problema, few units na lang, ma'am. Ano ba? So, ganun ba? So, pwede akong magbili? Siya, pwede, pero may problema kasi ako eh. Ganun ang answer ko. So, anong problema mo siya? Tingnan ko muna kung mayroon kaming inventory para sa iyo. Oh. So ngayon, can I get your email and number? So after 5 minutes, tawagin ko siya. So ma'am, ang swerte-swerte mo talaga. Ganun yan. So bakit? So ma'am, mayroon pa talagang 2 unit sa 3rd floor. Ganun yan. Diba every floor, marami mga unit. Do you like it?
Yeah. Dapat kalong.
Ako, grabe lang ako mag-drama. Tingnan mo yung Facebook ko. Did I sell? Never. You go to Filipino house, we didn't sell. We just brand, we're real estate. We're professional. We're the best. We're number 1. Then people, and hindi to nalaman sa mga agents sa Bacolod, na ang buyer pala, they want trusted agent. Yun ang nangyari. Ready na sila magbili, ang gawin nila mag-search, correct? Yes. Number 5. Number 5 na tayo sa branding. Ha? Anong number 1? Uy, sure talaga, nag-training ako, hindi pa ako nag-meeting. So, anong number 1? Number 2.
Branding.
Number 3. Ha? Number 4. Go to showroom, then create char. Then marami mga showroom dito, correct? Marami ba? Then ngayon, magpa-picture ka rin sa mga condo, like Casamira, natapos na. Ganun yan, picture ka. One of the amazing condo in Bacolod, just in Lacson Street. Ganun yan. Hindi mag-sarap siya. Ay, hindi na talaga to. Di ba? Ganun naman yan. Kasi, ang problema natin, when we join real estate, gusto na tayo magbenta, hindi. Branding needs 3 months. Okay, so you have to sacrifice 3 months. Pag wala talaga kayong benta. Pero kung makabenta, ilang months ka walang benta, Bert? 8 months. Kami, nag-struggle kami, walang nag-train sa amin. But we tried to understand that. So yung mga old people dito, sulat nila to para mag-training na kayo. Okay? Nasulat din na? Okay? Huwag kayong mag-live dito para sa atin lang to. Okay? Para sa atin lang to. You take this as your personal training. Okay? So, anong next? Number 5. Ito 200 to 300 friends. You know why walang mabili sa inyo? You know why? Wala kayong pera? You know why? Ito, pinaka-importante ito, wala kayong pera. Kasi mga arte kayo. Number 2, kailangan mag-surrender na kayo. Mag-surrender na tayo sa mga tao. Pag mag-surrender tayo, pag palagi na tayo mag-heart sa mga posting nila, mag-surrender din sila sa iyo. Yun ang sikreto. So starting today, if you want to be rich, sino gustong yayaman? 300 every day. Itong problema. Ito ang cellphone. This is how people watch Facebook. Diba? Walang reaction. Ako, every time I do this, heart. Minsan nga, ma-heart ko yung mga condolence, may namatay ba? Mali. So, okay lang, bahala na sila dyan. So, ngayon, yun ang style. So, every posting, heart. Now, the reason why I do that, to tell them, ito yan, heart, you didn't know, ha? Heart, if you look at the psychology of business, when you heart to that person 3 times, they got to in love you na. Tingnan nyo, simple lang. Nag-post kayo, di ba? Ang first reaction ninyo, pag after posting, after 5 minutes, magtingin, sinong nag-heart? Sinong nag-like? That's the story. So you have to heart. Heart is like this. Hindi kami friend, di ba? So if I heart, so makilala niya ako. Correct? The beauty, when I heart her 10 times, after 2 weeks, whatever I post, she can see. Yes, the algorithm is so powerful in Facebook. Ang sabi ng Facebook, if Tonton have a very good relationship with that person, then let that person see his posting because he supported that person. And the reason ang Facebook ngayon hindi na makita kasi nag-change na. last year. You know why I created Global Partners? Because of that. Every Friday, Unfriending Friday, 30 every week. Okay, why? Kasi marami kayong friends, hindi nyo kilala. Agree? So ang i-unfriend ninyo, number 1, mga pangit. Mga pangit na attitude na hindi mag-like sa inyo. Pangit na attitude na hindi nyo kilala. Then mga bastos. And always throw trash in your mind. The greatest problem in our society today is we call it psychology trash, not real trash. Real trash create chaos in life. Sample. Sinong name mo? Jennifer. Jennifer, we're beside each other. Jennifer, wake up, throw a trash can in my door. What will be my reaction? What's my reaction? I get angry. Agree? So I will call Jennifer. Jennifer, you put trash in front of my door. Now in social psychology, social media, you accept trash. Every time you open Facebook, all those are trash. And you accept it. You don't get angry. You accept that person, which is wrong. Ako, wala akong friend na mga bastos. Oh, never do that. Okay. Okay? Then, number 7, every posting starting today, you have to use hashtag Filipino Homes. Okay? Every posting. Example, magkuha ka sa anak mo. Oh, getting my kids. Hashtag Filipino Homes. Oh, cooking my favorite dish. Hashtag Filipino. Going to the restroom. Hashtag Filipino. Yan ang mangyari. Okay? So, yan ang maganda. Palagi talaga hashtag. Kasi makita nila na hindi ka. Di ba? That's how it works. Okay? So, yun ang sekreto. Okay? So, do you like it?
Yes.
So now, I'm gonna show you in about 10 minutes our company. Okay? Yeah. So, I've been to Harvard last 2 years, 6 courses. The reason I went to Harvard because I understand that Harvard will change my mind and will help the country. So, I'm the only broker in Asia that have been to Harvard almost every 3 to 4.
Okay.
0966-6285-346. Sharp. Thank you. Okay na?
Our training, nandiyan online. Okay? So if you need support for activation, you call Shari.
Philippine Homes Company, Rica's Home. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bacolod House Master. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bacolod House Master. At natapos na ang aming training sa may park-in sa Philippine Homes under Leoterio Ano lang nimot ko. Basta. Ang ganda ng training. So, pauwi na. Alright. Tapos ng training kanami. I hope na naka-sale ulit. Relax yan.